Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will start Maths for Standard 6 lesson number 9 Data Handling. So students, let's start data handling. Now what does data mean? Data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Like suppose now when you are in school, your teacher takes your daily attendance. Yes, so that is the data which she is collecting. This data is collected on the basis of present or absent and the number of working days or number of days the school is open, or the number of holidays are cancelled out of that. So there is a monthly information. So whatever it is called as data. Similarly, sometimes you see the cricket match. In the cricket also there are the number of runs, how many wickets and all that details are given. So that also can be a data. Or when you're going for a picnic or something and you say what things are to be carried, what how many things are there, how many people are there, who needs how much. So all that information is called as data. Now the next part of data is the information is recorded and listed to help save the needs. This is called recording the data. Now sometimes what happen, we might tend to forget. Now suppose for attendance, if the teacher says this child was absent on, so I need the dates when you all were absent, or the dates when you were present, or how many days in a month you were absent. So I record that data in my register. The teacher records the data in the register, and at the end of the month she can find out the child is absent or present for how many days. So same, this information may vary also, maybe vary in the sense it might change, that one child is absent for 2 days, other child is absent for 4 days, or a child is not absent at all. So it also needs to be organized in a proper way, and this is called organization of data. Means according to the roll numbers. I will just give you a better example of the school records of the register only, which is very familiar with y'all. So organization of data is now when roll number 1 is there. So the number of days in the month of January or February, so many days school was there, but the child was absent for 2 days. Roll number 2 was absent for 3 days. Roll number 3 was not absent at all. So we are organizing the data, and then at the end of the year we try to find out the total days the child was absent in the full year. So if it is written month wise, we can add it up in the end as a full year's attendance record on the daily basis or on the monthly basis. So that is organization of data. Okay, the next part is, while organizing a data, some values may appear many times, making it difficult or confusing to count. These are organized by the system of tally marks. Now suppose one roll number was absent 2 days in January, 3 days in November, 4 days in September, 5 days in February, and so on. So the full years, if you calculate, there will be variations, there will be changes in this. So it is calculated by a tally marks, wherein the system is that every multiple of 5 or the fifth mark is put as a cross. Means suppose if I say that the child was absent in January for 2 days, so I mark it as 2. In February as 1 day, I mark it as 1. In March, 2 days. Now this is a fourth, and then I will cut it. So this I will make a group of 5, that is called as a tally marks. Then if I say in June he was absent for 3 days, so I will make 3 lines. July he was absent for 2 days. So now I know this is 3, so 2 days, this is my fourth, and the fifth part I will put as a cross. So now when I ask how many days was he absent, I can say 5 plus 5, total 10 days. Or if I say September he was absent for 1 day, so I can add 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. So the child was absent for continuous 11 days. So this makes counting easy. So this is the tally marks which has to be cut on the fifth mark and added, so on. This details will be more easy once we start with the exercise. Okay. Exercise 9.1. For sum in a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. You see now here the marks are given of all the 40 students and they are all mixed numbers. So we have to form it into a box table of tally marks. So first we will write the column, okay, marks, tally marks and the number of students. Okay, now we see that the marks are ranging from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 9. So we will write the marks here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And now we will go step by step and keep on tallying the marks. So we will follow the first line 8, 4, 7, 7. So near number 8, first I will make one line. Then near 4, one more line. And there are two 7. So near 7, I will make two lines. Okay. The next is 1, 9, 3, 4. So near 1, I will make one line. 9, I will make one line. 3 and 4, I will get my second line. 3, 5, 8, 5. So again near 3, 5, 8 and 5. Okay, just see the numbers and keep on adding the marks. Next is 7, 3, 4, 6. So 7, 3, 4 and 6. So keep on adding one lines. We go to the next line 6, 7, 2, 9. So 6, 7, 2 and 9. Next line 5, 1, 8, 6. 5, 1, 8, 6. But keep in mind, see now here 7 and 4. So one more 4 or 7 comes, we will put a cross. Okay. So we finished. Then 5, 6, 9, 4. 5, 6, 9, 4. Now 4 parts are over. So I will put it as a cross. Okay. So now I got a group of 5. Next is 4, 5, 5, 4. 4, 5. Now again my fifth part and 4. Then 4, 2, 8, 6. 4, 2, 8. Now sixth one is also 4 done. So 5 I will put a cross. And the last line 2, 7, 6, 6. 2, 7, 6, 6. Okay. Now got it. Now I will make the number of students. 1 mark is got by 2 students. 2 marks by 3 students. 3 students. 4 by 5 plus 3, 8. 5 marks is by 5 students. 6 marks is by 5 plus 2, 7. 7 marks is by 5. 8 is by 4 and 9 is by 3. Okay. Now a way to see whether your tally marks or you have entered all the numbers best is that when you do the totaling of this, it should come to 40 students because it has given 40. So now let's try it out. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 plus 4, 37 and 37 plus 3, 40. So I think you have understood this. Okay, go step by step and slowly. 2 questions below it. Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. Equal to or more than 7. So we see the marks regarding 7, 8 and 9. They want equal to also. So 7 has 5 marks, 8 has 4 marks and 9 has 3 students. Sorry. So 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. So how many students got equal to or more than 7? 12. How many students obtained marks below 4? So they have not given equal to 4. So we will see the marks for 3, 2 and 1. 3, 3 and 2. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 students. Please write this students also. I just went out of mind. Okay, so the questions regarding the data handling. Now here following is a choice of sweets of 30 students of class 6. Okay, so now there is a choice of sweets what the children like. laddu barfi, laddu jaleba, laddu rasgulla. So now this is the tally of laddu, jalebi, rasgulla and barfi. And see, now looking at this, this is the data. So the data is very confusing. You will not know. If you try to find out the number of laddus in between, you will not get. If you try to find out the number of jalebi, you will not get. So we need to organize the data. Okay, so we will arrange it and arrange the names of sweets in a table using tally marks. Okay, so we will make the columns. Sweets, tally marks, students. Now it is laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgulla. So the sweets will be laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgulla. Now all is confusing. So whenever we do, let's try to cut off. So laddu, barfi, laddu. So laddu, barfi, laddu. Then jalebi, laddu, rasgulla. Jalebi, laddu, rasgulla. So the first line is done. We move on. Jalebi, laddu, barfi. Jalebi, laddu, barfi. Okay. Barfi we did. Now rasgulla, laddu, jalebi. Rasgulla, laddu, jalebi. Laddu was the fifth one, so I put a cross on that. Next line, jalebi, rasgulla. Jalebi, rasgulla, laddu, rasgulla. Laddu, rasgulla. Now remember, jalebi and rasgulla 4 are done, so the next one will be cut. Jalebi, laddu. Jalebi, laddu, rasgulla, laddu. Rasgulla, laddu. Laddu, barfi. Laddu, barfi. Rasgulla, rasgulla. Rasgulla, rasgulla. Jalebi, jalebi. Rasgulla, rasgulla. Laddu, laddu. Rasgulla, rasgulla. Jalebi, jalebi. Laddu. So now we do the total. 5, 10, 11, 3, 5 and 2, 7 and 9. Now how do we get the total done? 11 plus 3, 14. Sorry, 11 plus 3, 14 plus 7, 21 plus 9, 30. Okay, so we got the tally marks. Now question number 2. Which sweet is preferred by most of the students? Who likes which sweet more? The maximum number is here 11. So what is it? Yes, answer is laddu is preferred by most of the students. Okay. Third sum. Catherine threw a dice 40 times. Dice, you know, when we play snakes and or ladders or ludo or something, and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. Now make a table. So now we will write the dice, the numbers on the dice. How many numbers you have on a dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we have your tally marks, and then we will have the number of times. Okay, so now we know the number 1, 2, 1, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 5. Now this line is done. I can put a tick. 3, 5, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. I wrote 5 by mistake. I cut it. Okay. 5, 3, 2, 6. 5, 3, 2, 6. 6, 4, 3, 2. 6, 4, 3, 2. Now 2 is done 4 times. So I will put a cross. 6, 6, 5, 3. 6, 6, 5, 3. 3, 1, 2, 5. 3, 1, 2, 5. See, the fifth number has come. I have to keep it in mind and I have to put a cut. 5, 5, 4, 2. 5, 5, 4, 2. And then continue. 4, 5, 5, 4. 4, 5, 5, 4. 1, 6, 5, 1. 1, 6. Sorry, see, 5, 1. See, this mistake can be appeared, so you know, put a cross. 6, 1, 6, 5. 6, 1, 6, 5. Now we will count 5 and 2, 7, 4 and 1, 5, 5 times, 4 times, 11 times and 7 times. Now the question is the minimum number. Now minimum means least is called by which dice number? 4. Maximum number time was the dice number 5, and which appears equal times. Which number occurred equal time? 2 and 3. Okay.